Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer XRP from Crypto.com to Robinhood in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets smoothly and securely. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just switching platforms, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Crypto.com and Robinhood. If you haven't already, download the apps or log into the websites and verify your identities. It's crucial for security in 2025's tighter regulations. Once you're logged in, head over to your Crypto.com wallet and locate your XRP balance. Double-check that you have enough XRP to cover any network fees, which might have changed due to updates in blockchain tech. Now, initiate the withdrawal. In Crypto.com, go to the Withdraw section, select XRP, and enter your Robinhood wallet address. Wait, you need that address first. So, hop over to Robinhood, navigate to your crypto section, and copy your XRP deposit address. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid costly mistakes. Paste it carefully and double-check for any typos. Back in Crypto.com, set the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation code or email, so keep an eye on that. The transfer time can vary, but in 2025, with faster networks, it might only take a few minutes to an hour. Once it's sent, monitor your Robinhood account for the deposit. If you run into issues like delays or errors, check for any maintenance updates on both platforms or contact their support teams. Finally, after the transfer is complete, review your balances to ensure everything adds up. Congrats! You've just moved your XRP hassle-free. Remember, crypto transfers involve risks, so always stay vigilant with two-factor authentication and keep your private keys safe. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. What's your next crypto move? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.